Okay, I'm trying to trade for just let's say 20%, and I'm going to do one trade. I just want to show you guys how possible it can be to be making like $13 every day, or within less than 1 hour of practice, trade and the likes. Okay, now this trade is not pulling through faster than I expected. I may have to pause and come back when it is done. Okay, so now this trade took like 20 seconds. I've just made $10 from $50 trade. For you guys who are watching, I've decided to be doing just one trade so that you people can learn how to do trades, just one. Can you do just one single trade in a day and make $10? Yes. Can you even do the same, make $50? Yes. Can you do the same for bigger amounts? Yes. But first, you see, you need to learn. I didn't just enter. I have a signal generation. I know when the signal, I know the direction of the market. I know when exactly to enter. This is what I'm trying to teach. So now I just made $10. $10. You can be doing this on a daily basis. You don't have to do plenty. You don't have to do plenty. If you want to be profitable, you want to be sustain yourself, making daily income, please do not overtrade. Max 4 to highest at all. Probably you are doing plenty trades. Don't even do more than 4 or 5. Why? Because you will easily forget yourself and get carried away. God bless you. I'll see you another time.